You know the basics: graph a line, tap a point. This is the next tier. 5 Desmos moves the top scorers use, and almost nobody teaches quadratic regression, counting intersections, hidden minimums, one-line statistics, real best fit lines. If you already love Desmos, this is where you go pro. Lock in. Move 1, quadratic regression, the tilde's big brother. Sometimes the table curves instead of climbing in a straight line. Make the table, then type y1 tilde x1 squared plus bx1 plus c. Desmos fits the whole parabola and hands you equals 1, b equals 0, c equals -4. Now you can predict any y or read the vertex instantly. Most students have no idea Desmos even does this one. Move 2, counting solutions to a nonlinear system. The SAT asks, how many solutions does this pair have? Skip the algebra, graph it. Type the parabola y equals x squared minus 1. Then the line y equals x plus 1. Look where they touch: 2 crossings, 2 solutions. Never touch: 0. Just kissing 1. Your eyes beat the quadratic formula every time. Move 3, minimum and maximum. No calculus needed. A question wants the smallest value the function reaches. Graph y equals x squared minus 6x plus 5. Then tap the lowest point Desmos already marked. The vertex is 3, -4. So the minimum value is -4, and it happens at x equals 3. Flip it. If is negative, that vertex becomes the maximum instead. Move 4, a full statistics readout in one line. Drop the list in brackets. Then just call the functions mean, median, stev, even quartile. 4, 2, 4, 8, 9, 12. The mean is 7, the median is 8, and the standard deviation appears the instant you ask. The SAT hides standard deviation, hoping you'll freeze. Let Desmos do the ugly arithmetic. You just read the number. Move 5, the real line of best fit, for when the points don't line up perfectly. Enter the table, then the magic line, y1 tilde mx1 plus b. Desmos threads the best slope and intercept through the scatter. M equals 1.4, b equals 1.5. Type that line, plug in x equals 6, and it predicts 9.9. That's exactly how the scatterplot questions want you to think. 5 pro moves, and everyone turns a 2-minute problem into a 10-second tap. The basic tricks get you started. These get you finished fast with points to spare for the hard stuff. Try each one in Desmos tonight. Seriously, muscle memory is the whole game. Subscribe for more pro moves and lock in. Next one's coming soon.